Okay, so this is the third problem of today's Codeforces contest 852. This was also very like I would say easy problem. Then like not then A, but yeah, because A was slightly tricky. It was not that. Okay, so let's see. You have been given T naught disk is the number n length of a permutation. This is a permutation question. So you have been given that permutation. Then you want to print some L or R, which is the basically the subarray between AL to AR should be following some condition. The condition is that AL should not be minimum or maximum. You can see AL should not be the minimum of the all. AR should not be maximum of all. Similarly, AR should not be minimum of all. AR should not be maximum of all. So logic for this, let's see cases for this, and then let's see straightforward logic. Yeah, let's say 1 2 3. You want to find some some kind of a L to R sub array such that AL is not equal to minimum maximum. Similarly, AR should not be equal to minimum maximum. So logic would be like this. If I say first I'll try with the whole array, like I will try with 1 and 2 and 3. So he will say me, okay, 1 2 3 not fine because AL is minimum or AR is also maximum or so on so on. So I'll say okay, if you're saying AL is minimum, so let's try to remove AL and let's try for 2 3, and I will say my minimum is now is equal to 2 because it was minimum then. So if I remove that, so now the minimum of the window will become plus 1. So still it is minimum, so I'll try to remove that. The minimum is also increasing. Why minimum is increasing? Minimum between A to L, because 1 was minimum, so I tried to remove A1 from the window. Now my the if 1 is not in the window, it will not coming out as a this possibility, the minimum of all. So minimum of all is basically the minimum of all the elements present in the window. So I'll start from minimum is equal to 1 because that is the complete minimum of the complete array, and I'm starting from the complete array. And then if there is a boundary element is equal to 1, then I will say ki you have to exclude this one. And if you exclude this one, this element is now not in the middle of the array itself, right? So the middle element would start from, let's say, minimum of middle element can be 2. So that's why 2 for this. Now middle element can be at max be 3, at minimum it is also 3. So this is not fine, so -1 in this case. So currently now you will see ki 2 as a minimum is fine because currently my global minimum is equal to 1. I know because I have not reduced anything. If I reduce my one window, then my global minimum will also shift. Okay, and this 3 is also fine. So this complete array is fine. 0 2 3 or 1 to 4 they will say. Yeah, so this complete array is fine because 2 and 3 are not are not neither the maximum of the window neither the minimum of the window. So that's fine. Now 1 and 7 are maximum and minimum of the window, so that's not fine. Let's see. If I remove 1, my minimum will update to 2. Why it will update to 2? That you have to think, yaar. Thoda sa observation dekho, that you have to think, because I just removed this element from the array. So now array 1 निकाल दिया तो क्या minimum बचता है? 1 के बाद next comes is 2. So now the minimum will be 2. And similarly maximum 7 था तो अभी के लिए this is good that your L is not satisfying the condition that it's not equal to minimum nor equal to maximum, but your right is equal to maximum. So you will say right को भी छोटा करो. Right is now 5 and maximum भी आपका 1 से छोटा हो जाएगा. Why? Because right आपका 7 के बराबर था and you removed 7. So अब 7 के बाद maximum क्या बचता है? 6. Yeah, so that is why these is not like A and L or R. कोई भी minimum maximum के बराबर नहीं है. So it's fine. Like 3 to 5. The window I will be calling as 1 index to the 6 index, but they will call from 2 to 6, something like that. Yeah, 2 to 6, whatever. Yeah, 2 to 6 because yeah, index wise it is 5, but yeah, one indexing. Okay, so now let's code. It's simple question. Let's you will get more idea when I show the code. Int L is equal to 0, R is equal to n minus 1. you know Mx is equal to Mn is equal to 1. Current minimum of the complete array, current maximum of the complete array is n. ठीक है, while your L is lesser than R, you will say कि now there is a thing. If L is equal to minimum हो जाता है, ठीक है, that is not good. तो मैं क्या करूँगा, L को प्लस प्लस करूँगा, but मेरे को Mn को भी प्लस प्लस करना पड़ेगा. And I'll do continue. अब यही लाइन रिपीट करा दो थोड़ा सा. if तुम्हारा R L is equal to मैक्सिमम के बराबर हो जाता है, तो मैं L को तो प्लस प्लस करूंगा ही, मैक्सिमम को माइनस माइनस करूंगा बिकॉज ऑफ वो मैक्सिमम मैं नहीं ले रहा. कंटिन्यू करा दो, ठीक है. तो इफ दिस एल्स इफ अगर ऐसा होगा, या फिर इफ R इज इक्वल टू मैक्सिमम हो जाता है, आर इज इक्वल टू मिनिमम हो जाता है, तो आर तो हमेशा माइनस माइनस होगा, मिनिमम प्लस प्लस हो जाएगा, और मैक्सिमम के बराबर होगा तो आर तो हमेशा माइनस माइनस ही होगा, बिकॉज वी राइट साइड को लेफ्ट में शिफ्ट करेंगे और एम एक्स को माइनस माइनस करेंगे, ठीक है। दिस इज द कंटिन्यू, एल्स अदरवाइज मतलब तुम्हारा सब कुछ सही है, ठीक है। अगर यहाँ से कंटिन्यू नहीं हुआ, यहाँ से भी बच गया, यहाँ से भी बच गया, यहाँ से भी बच गया, ना एल खराब है ना आर खराब है, तो यू विल जस्ट सी आउट वट एवर एल आर एंड एल, एंड आई विल से कि गो टू next, and otherwise I'll say कि see out माइनस वन करना है, नो करना है, क्या करना है, -1 करना है, handle next, try this, yeah. n is not defined, why? अच्छा मैंने array input ही नहीं लिया यार, array भूल गए, n c n n, और एक और पंगा, यही चीज मैंने लाइक आई मिस्ड आउट इन दैट, बिकॉज l और r के चक्कर में you forgot the array. This is al, this is ar, this is al, this is a of r. Whew, now it should be fine with it. You're fine with it. Yeah. So C was also nice problem. Okay. Wrong answer on first test case. Wow. Incorrect segment. Acha, acha, sorry. L plus one, R plus one you have to do, because again I talked about one indexing, did not do it. Submit C problem. लॉजिक की बात करें तो फिर से एल और आर, दो यू विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द मैक्सिमम विंडो एंड सी मैक्स मिनिमम, इफ इट इज एल is not satisfying the condition or r is not satisfying the condition, you will not take it, otherwise you will take it like this. Yeah, that's what you have to do when they are not good, like when l is equal to minimum, so you have to increase minimum also, okay, and you have to increase l also, so yeah, that is the thing accepted. Okay, that's about it. We'll do d next.